What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors, man. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm, and do not forget to subscribe. So you see how the markets are bloody today and we are still making money. We were just up over $100, but it's pulling back a little bit. But this is what I was teaching y'all or telling y'all about in yesterday's video about learning how to trade options and having more options than just, investing and only hoping that the market goes up. You see, we're up over $108 already by betting that the market would go down. This is what I want to teach y'all how to do in my stock options trading course. So if you're interested in learning how to trade stock options, reach out to me via email, DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. This is a cheap contract. I wanted to show y'all because a lot of people think you need a lot of money in order to trade options, and you don't. You can do it with a small amount. Find a good contract where it still gives you a nice return. You see, we have a 20% return right now. We can close this contract out and, take the profit for, a 21% gain right now in this very short period of time. Or, we can just let this one ride. And I'm just doing this for demonstration purposes, letting y'all see, the potential. But it's very important, especially in times like this. There are several ways to make money. Entrepreneurship, other investment vehicles, stocks, crypto is not the only way, y'all. So reach out to me, DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. And that's pretty much all we got. We'll let this one ride a little bit. It might pull back just a slight bit, but the markets are falling. You want to know what to do when the markets are going down, because there's a ton of people still making money. So I don't want to see anybody, upset and, like super, down because the markets are falling, because you still have the opportunity to make money. You see, we just had 20% on that. We could have closed out, and that's in a day, in less than, an hour, so that's all we got for this video. Appreciate y'all for pulling up, and we are out.